We're told Alicia translated quadrilateral PQRS 4 units to the left and 3 units up to create quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Write a rule to describe this transformation. So pause this video, have a go at it, and then we'll do it together. All right, so when we talk about a rule to describe a transformation, we're talking about starting with XY points that are, say, on the original shape, PQRS, and then it's going to get mapped to new X and Y coordinates. And these, what the new X is, it's going to be dependent on oftentimes the old X or maybe some combination of the X's and the Y's, or in certain cases it could even be the Y. But if we're just talking about a simple translation, it's going to be a shifting of this X. And it's going to be a shifting of this Y for the new Y coordinate. Now, on the X side, it says 4 units to the left. So whatever our X was before, we are now going to shift 4 to the left. To the left, the convention is we're going to subtract 4 if we're shifting 4 to the left. And now we're also going to shift 3 units up. So whatever the Y coordinate was before, we're now going 3 higher than that. So it is Y plus 3. And we are done.